We will classify this triangle as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. An equilateral triangle has all three sides the same length. An isosceles triangle will have two sides the same length. A scalene triangle has no sides that are the same length. Looking at the triangle, we see that two sides are labeled with length 10, so we know that those two sides are the same length. If we measure AH, that's about 4¼ inches. AF is close to 7 inches. So AF is a different length from AH and HF. This means that the triangle has two sides that are the same length, so it is isosceles. So we classify the triangle as isosceles.